Hey guys, welcome back to Damien's World. So today I'm going to be pranking my mom with this air horn. And she's editing. And when she comes to edit and she lays down, I'm going to blow it. So let's wait until she comes out and sits down and edit. Okay? Alright guys, my mom's finally editing, and now we're gonna do it. Daddy bought me this. I had it for a secret.
Why did you do it way over there? You're supposed to do it right behind mommy.
That wasn't even loud.
That was loud.
Do it on Zayden, let's see. Zayden, that was not even loud.
That one sounded loud. My ears hurt.
The prank's on you, bro.
How?
Because you didn't scare me.
Here, Damien, do it for a minute. Hold on, come here.
I got that was good. Hey JJ, you almost done? JJ, you almost done? Alright guys, so let's do this. Scared JJ yesterday. We're gonna scare him now. There, we're not already open. Let's go. Hey, peace and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Alright, peace.